y'all. So we are about to test this thing here. Let me move my rigid shot back out of the way. So anyways, note, this machine is loud, so please turn down your volume. Note, I am not responsible to headphone users. So, it does a pretty good job, as I must say. So, anyways, that does it for the video. Comment, subscribe for more. Let me sit right here. Because it will not stand. Because the foot pedal is broken like a Bissell Power Force bag was. Like the one on my Plainview too. Alright, so but anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video.